Welcome back to Law and Disorder. Apologies for being away and missing the show last week. I was a little sick. I'm Manobhishek. No, not this guy. I'm not your guy, buddy. I'm not your buddy, pal. I'm not your pal, friend. I'm not your friend, bro chacho. And do you know that if you visited one grave a day to pay your respects to every Palestinian child Israel has killed in this genocide, it would take you over 30 years. And that's just the ones with the graves. That's very sad, my guy. I'm not that guy, pal. The Honorable High Priest, the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, on 22nd January, inaugurated the much-awaited Ram Temple in Ayodhya, apparently ending the 500-year misery of Bablu from Bhajanpura. My producers have instructed me to refrain from sharing my opinion on this sensitive matter to avoid any backlash. However, here are my true thoughts about the Ram Mandir inauguration.
इस कार्यक्रम को रोककर हम आपके लिए लाए हैं करेज द कावड़ी डॉग शो जिसमें सितारा है करेज एक डरपोक डॉगी ये अनजान शहर की गलियों में भटक रहा था म्यूरियल ने इसे अपने घर में रख लिया अभी म्यूरियल और इनके पति यूस्टिस बैग के साथ यही रहता है लेकिन अनजान शहर में होता है रोज नया उधम अब करेज इन हर मुसीबत से छुट्टी दिलाएगा
ना समझ डॉगी तुमने मुझे कार्टून बना दिया
And that is exactly why Israel is not a legitimate state, and those are my true thoughts about the temple. Here is a summary of the International Court of Justice's decision in the Israel genocide case brought by South Africa.
मैं बोलता नहीं
करके दिखाता हूँ
करके नहीं दिखाता
फिर
कुछ भी नहीं करता
A UP man got hospitalized after he found a rat in his Barbecue Nation food delivery order. Upon seeing his medical condition, the rat, who was an undercover Barbecue Nation employee, started singing and dancing and gave him a cake to wish him a speedy recovery. The cake further contained another rat who was not a Barbecue Nation employee, as per our sources. Barbecue Nation later posted on X, formerly Twitter, that if Remy from Ratatouille does it, it's a wholesome Disney movie, and if we do it, suddenly it's a consumer case. The Lucknow bench of the Allahabad High Court recently imposed a cost of Rs 25,000 upon the UP government for the apparent lack of preparedness exhibited by the Standing Council, causing a 10-minute delay in the court's proceeding and wasted the precious judicial time of the court. These 10 precious minutes of judicial time were later saved by the Madhya Pradesh High Court when this incident happened.
I've always reminded all of you that you don't sit here and drink water or drink coffee. It is not a cafeteria. If you want to drink water, you go out and drink water. You cannot just open your bottle and start drinking water in the courtroom.
It is a shame that even in prestigious institutions like NLU Patiala, students are not taught to submit to authority and have the basic courtesy of asking questions like, "Ma'am, may I please go drink toilet?" He's drinking water in the courtroom today. Tomorrow he'll start breathing inside the courtroom, taking up the precious oxygen of the judiciary. The Delhi High Court has directed journalist and YouTuber Sham Meera Singh to take down the video on Dera Sacha Sauda chief Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh, holding it prima facie defamatory. Now, only if the Delhi High Court can also order to take down the 3 Messenger of God movies, which are prima facie pretty awful. A Delhi Momo vendor stabbed a customer who demanded extra red sauce and ran away. Well, in his defense, he did manage to give him some extra red sauce, if you know what I mean. The Odisha High Court recently held that refusal to have intercourse with husband for a long time without a valid reason amounts to cruelty. After the wife clarified that the man claps when the plane lands, the court noted that this is valid enough reason to not have sex with your partner. In a very interesting turn of events, a man was arrested after wearing makeup to appear for an exam in place of his girlfriend. You all are out there being left on scene by a man who's not even your man. And this guy out here got the Chachi 420 riz. Ladies, if your man can't even do the bare minimum, Is he even your man? Forget the orange peel theory. Let's test out the babe, can you write my exam for me wearing my lip gloss theory? Don't settle for less. Get your man arrested. The Delhi High Court rejected a plea challenging bar on Sapinda marriages, stating that they cannot recognize incest tomorrow. The petitioners Jamie and Cersei Lannisters were very disappointed and are considering an appeal to the apex court. Telangana High Court quashes an FIR against law graduate who tweeted that state's law and order was a joke. You mean law and disorder, buddy? Elon Musk's behavior worries board members as he uses drugs at parties. This is not what I meant when I said take your meds, bro. With this, we come to the end of this episode of Law and Disorder. Please subscribe to the Leaflet and help us grow. I'll be back with more next week.